What is the best piece of exercise equipment after a total knee replacement? Hey guys, my name's Tony Maritato. I'm a licensed physical therapist, and this is probably one of my favorite questions. What is the best piece of exercise equipment after a total knee replacement? It's really simple. The best piece of exercise equipment is the one that you will use, the one that you enjoy, the one that makes you excited to get out there and move. You don't even need exercise equipment. You know, in the last video I shared, I said, my favorite thing for anyone who's had a total knee replacement is to connect with someone you love, walk outside in the sun on a beautiful day. That is, like, in my book, the best of the best. But if we're looking at finding equipment, I would tell you that there is no bad equipment for you out there. Anything that you enjoy. So I talk to clients who love cycling, whether it's on a recumbent bike, whether it's on a spinning bike, stationary bike, any of those bikes are tremendously valued because it's something they love. There's a treadmill, there's a new step, there's a cross trainer, arc trainer, elliptical. All of them are fabulous. All of them will do an amazing job. My personal bias as a physical therapy is variety is the spice of life. Variety is the best thing you can do. So when I have a patient with me in the clinic, I will oh goodness, I can't talk today, guys, sorry. I will typically take them through multiple machines to vary the movement, vary the intensity, expose the knee and the rest of their body to different sensations, because I believe that is ultimately what we want to do in rehab, and we want to prepare the body for just about everything, right? So if I have a cross trainer, we might do a couple minutes on that. We might go to the treadmill, we might go to the elliptical, we might do some strength training, we might do some transitions going from the ground to the seat to the stand. Then we might go back to some more cardio stuff. Like, variety is what we want to condition the body to be used to different sensations. I think the biggest challenge after a knee replacement is when you take that step onto a surface or onto the grass or something that you weren't expecting. The ankle kind of wobbles, the knee kind of wobbles, your nervous system doesn't know what to do and how to handle it, and you get this immediate jolt and fear, right? Most people, when you feel that instant pain response and fear, tense up, and when you tense up, you can't react. And so that's one of the things that physical therapy is amazing for a lot of things, but probably our greatest asset is to expose you to uncomfortable situations so that you can build tolerance and get used to them. The question at hand, what is the best piece of exercise equipment after a total knee replacement? It's the one that you are gonna use. Guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. The best way to show support for what we're doing is to click that subscribe button. And in the meantime, share your questions. If you're not in the Facebook group, consider joining. It's totally free. You can read what other people have done and are doing. But if not, just share your questions with me in the YouTube comments. This is an amazing community. We are building something special here. And as always, I'll catch you on the next video.